also like to ask you on UCC, because we've spoken so much about religion and politics. Do you feel that UCC should be left alone because people are scared? And you're talking about 14 to 15% last count of a Muslim minority, which is scared about a UCC coming
Please
into
understand, firstly, it is close to 200 million, correct? This is not...
I'm just, okay.
I mean, Parsis are 55,000 in the world. So you're talking to somebody who's married into the Parsi community, and we are just 55,000 of them, of which 3 are my kids. I think that when we say everybody is equal under the law, we need to respect...
Sorry, I want to just interrupt you on that. Your children can continue being Parsis even
Yeah, because
though...
the husband is a Zoroastrian.
So,
If I was a Zoroastrian female, my children would not have the Navjot.
yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you.
And that is why when the Prime Minister speaks or when Amit Shah speaks about UCC, these are the questions that need to be answered. I don't step into a fire temple because it is prohibited. So I respect their religion. But a woman who's from the Zoroastrian religion, the minute she marries outside, her children cannot have a Navjot. Whether her children have the same rights as my children, there are many such debates which are yet to be
Are you a
had.
proponent of the UCC? Do you believe in
Yes.
it?
Like I said, if my daughters who've done Navjot marry outside, one of them is married to a Hindu now, her children cannot be Zoroastrians anymore. How fair is it to her?
Do you think it should be a matter of choice that she,
Like I said,
like the child selects?
how UCC is evolved in collaboration with all communities, listening to everybody, is an issue that the government under Modi will deal with post the 4th of June. But as somebody who has a child who has done Navjot and is married a Hindu, her children can never have a Navjot. She has to abandon that relationship with her religion the minute she married a Hindu.
A question I
I
saw,
am married under the Special Marriage Act.
which is very empowering for women.
The issue is, I needed a Special Marriage Act to get married.
I saw an interview of yours in which you said I've paid a price for it, and when it was asked, and you said my family. Regrets?
No. क्योंकि अमेठी की लड़ाई कोई इलेक्टोरल लड़ाई नहीं है, ये विचारधारा की लड़ाई है. और हम जब सड़कों पे उतरते हैं अपने कार्यकर्ताओं से कहने के लिए कि विचारधारा के लिए लड़ो, केरल में जाओ तो ऐसे कार्यकर्ताओं को मौत के घाट उतारा जाता है. बंगाल में जाओ तो उनको सरेआम फांसी देनी पड़ती है. अपने परिवार का सुख चैन सब उनको तबाह करना पड़ता है. फिर मैं अपने कार्यकर्ता को किस मुंह से कहूं कि तुम कुर्बानी दो, हम आराम से बैठेंगे. So yes, there have been huge impacts on my personal life, on my character. It has been assassinated left, right and center. But I'm alive and there are karyakartas who are dead for just being BJP karyakartas.
Does online trolling hit you, hurt you?
No, I have to have people approach me and say, Goli maar denge. So,
Physically, they've come in front of you, actually.
yeah. One of our candidates was shot. And please remind your sensibilities to 2019, after the election in Gauriganj, in Barolia Gaon, Suren Singh was killed.
Yeah, you
at
carried
his doorstep. Yeah. तो मैंने अपने कार्यकर्ता की अर्थी उठाई है. कोई ना कोई दिन मेरा भी नंबर आएगा. लेकिन जब मेरा कार्यकर्ता मर रहा है तो मैं उसके परिवार की आंख में आंख कैसे मिलाऊं? क्या कहूं कि तुम कुर्बानी दो और मैं आराम से बैठूं? Not possible.
Do you fear it? Do you know it? Do you?
How fearful are those who are sending me threats? हम तो सिर्फ गांव-गांव जाके काम कर रहे हैं, मोदी का प्रचार कर रहे हैं. हमारा तो सिर्फ यही कसूर है कि सड़क बना रहे हैं, बिजली दे रहे हैं, बाईपास बना रहे हैं.
Click here to watch the full episode.